If your Samsung phone charges up only to 80% and you're wondering what's causing it to do that, then you want to go ahead and look for the feature known as battery protection and either turn it off or make changes to how you want it to charge. This is for Samsung phones with Android 15. Let's get started. The fastest way to these settings is by using the quick access here and tapping on the settings toggle found to the top right. Once you're here now, you can use the search settings right here and type in the words battery protection. This is the fastest way to this. So type in battery protection. And I know I suck at typing. And you'll see here, it's going to be found under the battery settings. So once you go there, it'll take you straight here. Now, if you want your phone battery to just charge to 100% normally, and if you leave it plugged in and just stay charging all the time, simply just turn this off. You won't have any battery protection features enabled, stopping your battery from charging in specific ways. But if you choose to protect your battery, which I would recommend to you to do that, you want to keep this on. So the best feature for you to have now to go up to 100% and not overcharge your battery would be the basic one. Switching over to the basic one will disable the 80% max charge and leave it charged to 100%. The adaptive one will also keep it to 80%, but this is gonna go based on some patterns of your phone and will require you to use your location time. If you have it set to the maximum option here, which when I tap on it, you go down a little bit, that's gonna have it set to 80% only, and you can adjust it to up to a specific battery percentage. And to play it safe and have your battery last for a very long time, I would recommend keeping it between the 80 to 85% and just charge it back up whenever you need to. And that's that for this guide here. Like and sub.